Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a paper crane that's not completely folded so that you can stack them together like this and thread them into good luck chains, which will hang in shrines or sometimes people hang them in their homes. So first you're going to start with just the regular sheet of paper. It's 150 by 150 millimeters square. This is the standard origami paper. I have a million different colors, but I've chosen the purple for you because it's my favorite color. And it has white on one side, purple on the other. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it to the white side, and then you'll fold it in half first. Make sure that it's completely lined up. Okay. Unfold that one. Turn it to a corner. So you'll meet a corner to corner, like so. Fold it down nice and neat, and be sure to crease it strongly so that way when you go back to make some more of the other folds in it, it's going to keep that same fold. Okay, then you're going to fold it in half this way. So you're turning it, and it makes it like this. And you can see right here, here's the fold in the middle that I did, and the one on the diagonal. And it looks the same on the other side. See? Okay, now unfold that again and turn it so that you can see the fold along the diagonal. And you're going to flip it over so that you can see the colored side here. And meet those two edges, those two corner pieces. Doing it like this will help you fold it easier. There's a couple of different steps that people take in order to fold it like this. And I just find it easier just to do it this way. So you'll unfold it again. And as you can see, it looks like a little bit of a star pattern in your paper. Kind of take this and fold those in. When you do that, you can see it automatically starts to fold in on itself. Go ahead and push all of those together, and what you'll have is a square. So you have another square that you just made out of your square. And you'll see the fold right here in the middle, and then you can see here that these two are folded in this way. Okay, so then you'll set it down. Make sure the creases are nice and tight again. I've left a little bit of the white showing here so you can see how I'm folding it. What you'll do is you take this corner and you'll fold it into that crease that you'll see there in the middle. See the crease right here? Okay. Then you'll do the same on this side. Ta-da! Kind of looks like a praying mantis or a kite, a fun little kite, right? Then you'll flip it over and you'll do the same on the other side. One of the hardest folds that you'll do next is called a petal fold. And I find that it's easier to make this little fold down. If you fold this triangle down like so and make a crease, that will make a crease for your petal to fold into on both sides. As you can see, it's on this side as well. Okay, now take one side and open it back up, and you can see again that crease. It's making it easier for this to open up. Now, these two are already folded. These two sides are already folded well so that you don't have to worry about those. But these, you have to turn back inside out. And since you've made a strong crease there, you can just follow along the line and do the same with the other side. You can see that crease. You're going to make it fold out instead of in, like it's doing. Okay, and then it folds down like that. See? That's a diamond shape. Now flip it over, and you'll do the same on the other side. Now this one is a little bit backwards, but it at least gives you a guideline right here to follow. So you'll open it back up. See, this crease is folded the wrong way because of the way we folded it earlier. So you have to follow it back along, help guide it back to where it should be. And we'll fold that side down this way. There. Now, if you hold it like this, you can see that there's the top here, this little triangle, and then these two shapes right here. And then these are open on the bottom, right? You're going to take one corner and fold it back into that middle where that gap is, and fold it down this way so that it makes this fold right here. Now, a lot of people tend to miss this fold. You're going to do it on all 4 sides of this. So you fold it there, there, there. Now it kind of looks like a spaceship. Maybe I watched too much sci-fi or something like that. See, I know. Still open there. Okay. People miss this step and they end up with something like this. Now, this isn't quite correct, obviously. So I'm gonna unfold that puppy right here, and we're gonna fix it. Can you help me fix it? Okay. So this is where they've gotten it wrong. Because see, they didn't make these folds. So now they're left with just this, and they've folded it in. So you're going to make sure that you keep these folds going right here. Then you put those folds together. Meet them like so, meet them like so, and then fold it this way. And now you have a pointy-eared fox. See, here's the points here. And here's a long face and a little nose. All right, now you take that end and you fold it back into the middle to meet these 2 corners here. And you'll do the same on this side as well. Now, sometimes people leave this step and they think, oh, well, this is what I fold down, right? Well, it is what you fold down for the beak and tail so that they stick out. And then they, of course, eventually become the crane. However, in order to make the piece chains, you don't need to fold it down. Just keep it as is, but then meet those corners back. Fold it back this way. This side would be what a wing would be, this side and this side. And then that's a beak and or tail. If you unfold it, you can see here. Okay, and this is what you should end up with. And look, it stands on its own too if you make sure that it's folded correctly. All right, so we showed you how to fix one that was more like this. I'll fold it back so you can see. Okay, so this was folded this way. And of course, you can see that's not quite correct. So we shall keep these ends folded. Again, this is where we'll just make a quick little edit to it. This way and this way. Make it back into that spaceship. Maybe it's Romulan, I don't know. Okay, do that. Fold those 2 pieces together. And fold it back up. And then meet the edges back the way they should go. There, all fixed. Okay. Now, there's also this version that I've been given. Almost, but not quite there. They folded in the wrong pieces. So see, they had the right folds right here that we needed, just like here. They had that right fold. However, they folded in the wrong sides. So we'll undo that. Come on, there. So we'll lay it back flat this way. Okay, fold those in. Put that beak back where it should go. Should be more of an ear here. Pardon me. It's more of an ear than a beak. All right, this part that folds in is the beak and tail. And then those are doubled back onto themselves. And then you can straighten those wings back out, like so. And there, now it's fixed. Ta-da! Now see, to put these together, you will open that up just a little bit, kind of tuck in everything. So, oh, let's do it this way, sorry. Okay, so it's beak to beak and tail to tail, as you can see here. And then wing to wing. So the wings fold up nicely like so, the beaks and tails. And then as they are put together, you can see they fold nice and tight and they make the long loops. You'll be putting the needle and thread through the ends here. So you'll put a needle and thread starting at the top, put it through here, it comes out here, and then you slide it on to the next one. And then as you're sliding these on, you can see how they meet up, like that. And then you just stack them nice and neat in strands of 40 cranes each. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.